ride with the e-bike, e-moto setup, whatever the heck you want to call it. It's kind of windy as hell, so we'll see how that goes. Yeah. Also wet and slippery as hell, so there's also that. But who cares? We are going out to hopefully fly our drone and not get harassed by some honkies, but this is Port Townsend, so you know, honky's gonna honk. It's what they do. But we're gonna go out, ride. We're gonna see how the Insta360 AcePro does stabilization-wise, off-road. See if anyone harasses me about flying my drone, and yeah. We're gonna go out and do this. Let's ride. Sweet. We passed our first honky and no one said anything, so that's good. Let's see if we can go out and find a spot to go launch this drone. Yeah. So, while we ride, let's kind of just talk. So, this channel originally was going to be a lot of, you know, FPV drone fun and whatnot, but I bought an e-bike because, you know, why not? It's fun. I like e-bikes. But aside from that, yeah, I think e-bikes and FPV drones kind of go hand in hand. We're going to try not to throw our drone in the ocean today, but like, yeah, there's a spot I like to go and fly, so we're going to go and fly that, and I can take my e-bike to go and ride it. I definitely plan on doing some more in-city type flying, and I think an e-bike will be a perfect for that, just because I can set up, go fly, get back to my spot, and do my do. But yeah, damn it, forgot to tighten my camera. More of the old way. We're gonna to this side. Ooh. We're gonna get to see how this bike really does off-road today. Ooh. Also, mind you, I have zero previous off-road experience. Well, I've ridden a dirt bike, but like, not in real. But yeah, so, e-bike, first time. First time. Ooh. First time for a lot of things. Also, always hit that park button when you're getting off your e-bike. That button, save your life. But yeah. So we're up over at the spot. Hopefully we got some audio. I'm going to adjust my camera mount so it quits falling. And let's hopefully fly the drone. jams going. Also, I'm nowhere with service, so, you know, there's that. But yeah, so we're gonna go cruise around, see if we can't find another spot to go, hopefully, fly my drone before it starts dumping rain. That would honestly be best. So, let's get back on the road. Let's go back. Let's go back this way. And if for whatever reason my video didn't record the prior audio, welcome to the video. But hopefully that's not the case. Yeah, for those of you still watching, I do plan on doing a review on this Ebike, but, you know, you got to get the setup first before you can review it. So, we're working on that. But once we pass that stage, which I feel like we're making pretty good progress, we'll go ahead and, yeah. But, let's see if we can't find another spot to rip. Let's go down this way. Ah, there's a car. Do we pass him or do we just keep him? Let him keep on. We're cruising today. We'll just go ahead and follow the honks. Also, that tinging noise, really annoying. Not that big of a fan of it. I gotta fix that. But it's also a future me problem, not a current me problem. So, yeah, we'll let that be what it is. Past our road. Ugh. Let's wait for these cars to pass, because I think that's the road we need right there. Yeah, let's take this road. Ooh. Also, I gotta fix these side view mirrors because, like, ooh, that's a nice bite. Turn on our headlight because, you know, why not? Oh, there's people here. Oh, there's just one person. Let's just come over here and get a rip in. Just fly the drone. Let's not get harassed by people, hopefully. Oof. No fireworks. You hear that, people? Not starting any fires. Let's see. Put that boy in park. Yeah. Should be able to rip here a little bit with our little drone buddy boy. Let's get her all set up and ready to go. And if you're curious, Go 3S, one of the best FPV drone cameras money can really buy. To be honest with you, it's tiny, portable, not gonna make your drone super heavy. I mean, if you're worried about weight, that's the drone I recommend. But let's go ahead and get this up in the air. Okay, we're back on the road. Ooh, why do I keep putting myself in these kinds of situations? Ooh, they're gone. Do we freestyle the rest of the park, or do we go home? Yeah, I think we go home. Going home sounds like a good option right now. Best to quit while we're ahead. Ain't that the saying? God, these things are going to be the death of me. I'll just leave it there for now. Okay, back on the road. One day we will come back and freestyle that part. Oh, let me check my rear tire was giving me some issues the other day. So I had to check on that, but it looks good. Now, let's make sure camera's sitting pretty. Cool. Let's make sure we're recording. Yep. Cool. Alright, we're back on the road. Let's go. Hopefully the camera's not picking up that cleaning noise. Cool. I want to figure out how to get over there. That looks like a fun spot. Starting to rain a little bit, but we'll keep cruising. Where to, though? We can go this way.